friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A real, honest, emotional story about staying positive in tough times. There was a boy named Rian. Rian was a normal boy, acted like many of us. He laughed, he dreamed. He wanted to do something big in life. But life is not always easy. One day, Rian faced many problems. His exam results were bad. He lost confidence. He felt like a failure. He sat alone in his room, feeling sad, feeling broken. He whispered slowly, "Why is life so hard? Why do bad days come? Why do I feel so weak?" Just then, his mother came in. She sat beside him and held his hand gently. She asked softly, "My son, why are you so sad?" Rian said, "I tried, but I failed. I worked, but nothing went right. I feel like giving up." His mother smiled kindly and said, "Listen carefully, my child. When the sky is dark, it does not mean the sun is gone. It simply means that the sun will shine again." She continued, "Life has tough days. Life has bad moments. But tough times do not stay forever. Your problems are not the end. They are a test, a lesson, a step toward strength." Rian looked at her quietly. His heart felt softer. She said, "Instead of saying, 'I cannot do this,' say, 'I will try again. I will learn. I will become stronger.' Stay positive, even when life is hard. Because positive thinking gives power to the heart." Rian took a deep breath. He wiped his tears. He smiled slowly. He whispered, "I will not give up. I will stay positive. I will try again." From that day, Rian changed. He still had problems. He still had tough days. But now he had hope. He had strength. He had positivity. And slowly, his life started to improve. Because positivity does not change life immediately, but it changes you. And when you change, your life starts to change too. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep believing in yourself. And always remember, stay positive, even in tough times.